Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back. So today I got a different kind of video. We are actually going to be day trading stocks. I know you're probably thinking like, what the heck's this kid doing? Like he's posting junk removal videos and jumping into stocks and crypto. Like I said, this ain't just a junk removal channel. I try to like make money as many ways as I can to diversify my portfolio and, just learn multiple trades. So who knows? Maybe if I can master this day trading thing, I can do this before work every day and make 500 bucks in the morning and then go off to work and make $1,000 a day at work and easily start making 6 figures a year. That's the end goal. And every day trader says, like, if you talk to successful day traders, I've watched like a bunch of YouTube podcasts with like millionaire day traders and stuff like that. They always say like it takes time and they wish they would have started earlier. And I don't know many day traders. There is plenty out there, but like I just don't have a big YouTube presence or just don't sit down and talk about it that are younger. Like most successful day traders are like over the age of 30. So I figured why not start this at like 23 years old and hopefully like at least be profitable by like 25, 26 hopefully, where I can like actually consistently make money. Because right now, just get this out of the way too, this ain't financial advice. Don't copy anything I do in this video. This is just some stuff I've learned over the past month or two. I've only been trading for about like literally like actually getting on every morning at 9:30 when the market opens. Well, I get on at like 8:45 and then like hit my scan, use my scanner on Thinkorswim, try to find some stocks, watch a few YouTube lives. Because if you have no idea how to do this, I definitely recommend like going on YouTube and just watching some live streams because people just talk about the news in the morning. They're like stock market live talks. The trading fraternity guy on YouTube, I always listen to him. He's real good. He's a little crazy, but he always goes over the news and stuff and which stocks are up and down. I have a certain amount of stocks that I trade. But anyways, that's good for an intro. I'm gonna move myself out of the way, minimize this so you guys can see a lot better. I'll be over here in the corner. How about that? And I'm gonna throw my headset on, so yes, I'm gonna look a little nerdy. But only reason I have this on is because the Thinkorswim platform I use makes sounds when my order gets filled or when it gets sold. So I need to know if I'm in a position or if I'm not in a position. Real quick, just to go over the way that I day trade, I literally just draw out support and resistance lines. So this is a 4-hour chart. I'll go down to a 1-hour chart. So this is on forward. This is Carnival Cruise Lines. This is one that I like to trade because I trade options, by the way, not just shares, because I don't have a big enough portfolio to be trading shares and stuff like that. Like you see up here, I only have $240 in this account. My goal here is to make $20 a day, just because if I'm making $20 a day, that means I'm really only risking about like $20 or $30 a day. As there's no reason for me to shoot for $100 a day with a $240 account. That's just not realistic. So even $20 is still a lot for a $240 account as a daily goal. But if I go down 20 bucks on a day, I'll just step out and close out and just stop trading for the day. Or if I run out of settled cash, because I only have $240 to trade with, and once I use all this, it doesn't mean I lose it all, but like once I make the amount of trades that equals to $240, I'm done. This cash has to resettle and it has to get like reviewed or something, and then it's not available to the next day. Even if I only lose like 10 bucks, I still can't use it. It's very confusing. But I just want to do a live day trade so you guys can literally see like what I'm thinking before I hop in a trade. But market opens in 2 minutes, so real quick, let me tell you guys my trading strategy. So as I said, these are all support and resistance lines. Pretty much that just means where the market usually turns, because as you can see, like this red line hits this one, then it bounced up, hits it, bounces up, hits it, bounces up, then here again hits it, bounces up, and then same with down here, hits this one and it bounced, then it broke through, then it comes, hits it twice right here and rejects a little bit, then bounces through. So it's pretty much just support and resistance. If you don't know what support and resistance is, there's tons of very informative videos on YouTube that you can just look up real quick. But anyways, I pretty much trade AT&T, Ford, Carnival Cruise Lines. Pretty much those are the ones I focus on because I'm kind of comfortable with them and they're very cheap, especially the options. I trade pretty much like 0 days expiration or whatever it is. Like if it's a Monday, then there's like 4 days till expiration or 5. Because look at this. Well, the market's not open yet, so they're a little bit cheaper, but these are very cheap. All right, well, the market's about to open, and I have a rule that I like to really never try to trade in the first 5 minutes because candles just wick in the first 5 minutes. Like stuff moves too quick to where like I could hit my stop loss and more, take a big loss with like a 1 minute candle. So It's a little sketchy to me, but this is how I get ready for market. I zoom in on everything on the 1 minute chart and just get ready. And I watch it, I adjust it to how I like it. Market's about to open in 20 seconds. And you'll see as soon as it comes out of this gray area, it's gonna be open. I know I'm being very informative. If you already trade stocks and you clicked on this video because it was just first, you've never seen my channel before, then you're probably like, why is this guy explaining everything so much? I'm explaining it for my like normal viewers because this is the first time I've ever posted a video like this. All right, that bell means market's open. And you'll see these wicks. So as you can see, even though I'm way zoomed in and there's not as many support and resistance lines anymore, it's because I'm way zoomed in. But here's one right here, and here's one right here. Carnival Cruise Line doesn't have one. Oh, there's one up there a little bit. I'll keep it on the screen. Just adjusting the charts when I do that. So you can see compared to these little candles, these ones are going to be moving. I'm probably just going to pause it here and then resume the video when I'm about to get into the trade or when one of these candles comes close to my support and resistant lines and it's after 5 minutes. Be right back. Okay, it's now 9:34 and Ford just ripped right here for some reason straight through my resistance zone or support, whatever you want to call it, and with massive volume too. That's another thing I watch when I'm going for a trade. I want there to be high volume on this volume chart because if there's not a lot of volume, then these candles don't tend to move a lot. That's pretty common though. A lot of people trade like that. So I don't want to chase this now. It's already broke through a lot. I kind of wanted to like get in like when I was right here, if on the second candle and ride it. So maybe if this pulls back a little bit, and then I can get it at a good price, and then it keeps going down. But what's called Ford has been in a downtrend for a minute now. I'll show you guys like the hourly chart. So each one of these candles stands for 1 hour. So look, these black ones are whole day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like been going down all week, bad. So, oh, but down here, this is tanking. I don't want to chase this though. I don't want to FOMO. The volume is high though, but I feel like this could just flip. Yeah, I think I missed that trade. But over here, AT&T's getting close to a support zone, resistance zone. Might break through that. If volume starts going up a little bit, I might hop in. Oh, here's a pullback on Ford. All right, AT&T's pulling through. I'm going to pull up the option contracts for you guys. T's already in there. And I will probably... Wow, why are these so cheap? What the heck? Probably go for $23. This is active trader. It's very confusing, but this is how I get in trades. Probably gonna buy 2 contracts. Option chain. If it breaks through again, doesn't look like it's going to. Already went back down. All right. You can see down here this volume's higher than the last candle. Going up. I'm getting in. 22 is the bid, so I'm a little low. Oh no. All right, I'm in. Right here's the profit or loss. As you guys can see, I'm already up $2. Oh, now it's down. I'm gonna be down. I gotta set a stop loss though. I forgot to do that. So I'll set my stop loss at the bottom of this little red candle right here. I'll just draw it out. I think around there is where I'm gonna get out. If it starts plummeting down with a lot of volume, I'll get out a little bit sooner. So now we're down $2 and there's brackets around the P&L right there. That means down. Oof, this is not looking good. Oh, here we go. Green candle. Let's go. Pump. Oh, back down. Yikes. Try to zoom in on this a little bit for you guys. Oh gosh. Hasn't really passed it yet. All right, I'm out. Oh, yeah, I'm out. Come on, is it not gonna let me get out? All right, just like that, I'm down $10. Great. So as you can see now, my account is down at 227 total, and now I have $189 left of buying power. Of course, it turns around. All right, well, I'm gonna need it to break a little bit higher this time if I'm gonna get in again, because now it just looks like it's consolidating. Look at Ford. If this wouldn't have broke through so strong, I got it at a good price up here, this would have been a pretty good scalp. That sucks. All right, I'm gonna pause it here and come back when I see a trade. All right, AT&T's breaking through again. I just hop in the same trade I just took an L on. I kind of wanted to break high a day though for me to get in, which would be like right around here. It's looking like it's going to. All right, we're gonna small pullback. Ford just had a good bounce off the 9 EMA. I was thinking about taking that, but I haven't done much 9 EMA trades. Not getting much volume on this AT&T chart. The thing that sketches me out about AT&T is it's been in a downtrend for a while, over a month. So, oh, here we go. All right, man, come on, get me in. Whoa, that just pulled back hard. All right, if it breaks through and my line's in, I'm gonna try to get in. Because it seems like it just bounced off this area pretty hard. Oh, good thing I didn't get forward and actually broke through the 9 EMA. Didn't keep going down. Not seeing much here. All right, AT&T's pumping. I'm getting in. I'm in. It broke this high day candle. Didn't break pre-market high though. Oh my gosh, it looks like it just bounced the pre-market high. Should break through. We had decent buy volume on this candle. Oof. Not looking too hot. Might be stepping out of today's trades early. Now I've only funded like probably $250 into this account total, and today I started at $240 and I've been trading for like a month. So I'm not consistently profitable obviously because I'm down $10 on like the month, but I don't take big losses, and that comes from stepping away early when I'm down 20 bucks or taking my money when I'm up 20 bucks most of the time. But most of the time I don't take a $20 loss. If I'm just feeling like I'm trading like crap, I'll just stop trading. Or if there's no setups, I'll walk away early and I try to only trade good setups. Bad thing about this is that we're at 0 days of expiration, so these contracts are losing value quick in the option chain. We're still above the 9 EMA though. I might, if this goes below the 9 EMA, that's when I'll get out. All right, nice bounce off the 9 EMA. This needs a pump. Really could use a good trade here. Ooh, Ford just bounced off that resistance line pretty much again, down to the downside. Oh, this gets your adrenaline up for sure. Or anxiety, I don't know, but definitely got me feeling anxious, especially when I'm already down 10 bucks on the day. I'm like, want to make it back. Whoa, we're down almost 20 bucks now. Jeez, I'm already down 9 on this trade alone. This sucks. This thing is not looking too strong. Oh, here we go. Here's a little pump. There we go. Come on, breakthrough. Breakthrough. Oh my God, it keeps bouncing there again. This looks like a solid uptrend, how this is going. So it needs to break through though. Like right here, it pretty much just broke through. So I don't know why it's not continuing. Decent volume on this candle down here too. There we go. Come on. Nice. That's a decent pump. That should put me in the green. I'm still down $3 on this trade somehow. I don't know how. How is this not putting me in the green? Okay, I'm up $3 now. This thing does not want to go up. I mean, it's going up, but like the contract price is not moving that much. You know, I'm still only up $3 and it looks like it's pumped a lot. Like, come on, this has got to go up. Look at how much this is pumping. I don't know why the option train over here is not going up a lot. It's gone up 2 cents. Still only up $3. Okay, there we go. Now I'm up 9. It's a decent pump. All right, I sold because I don't know. It's just acting weird. I got out of my position at only a 1 cent gain, but times 6 contracts, so times 100. I don't know exactly how much I came out to. Let me check. That was a profitable trade, obviously, but wasn't a lot. $6 off that trade. I don't know how, dude. We got in. When did we get in? We got in like at the break, pretty much, and then this was a pump. That should have been a decent scalp, so I don't know what's going on with this. That was weird. I'm not going to chase this. I already got my move off that. The next zone is way up here. Probably won't reach out for a while. We can watch Ford over here, though. Ford looks like it's in the downtrend. What else can we check out? I'm going to look around and come back if I find a trade. Okay, now Ford's coming up to the resistance line again. Or support is a resistance line. It's coming up quick. Let me put it on the option train. Can send this over. Don't want 6. That's for sure. Maybe like 2. Oof, look at AT&T. It just pumped after we got out. Kept going. Look at a few over here. Intel's at a pretty big resistance line for support. I'm getting confused a lot. Because, like, I think this is... Yeah, this is drawn from a yearly chart. So this is a strong zone. If it breaks through this, it's probably going to go down a lot. So I'm definitely probably going to play this. You can see it's, like, consolidating right at the break. So this could be a good play. Let me get Intel up on, get it ready to trade. Looks like it might bounce though. It's consolidating right at the zone now. Ford is about to break through too. Volume's coming up on Ford. Switching back to Ford. I like trading Ford. It's cheap contracts, and I've just been profitable with it before, so comfortable with it. All right, volume's going up on Ford. Just need a breakthrough. There's the break. Maybe the first candle that opens above this blue line. Oh, get in. Oh, Intel just broke through the zone. I hate when two trades go out at it at once. This Intel one seems a little bit more serious, though. I can do 3 on this. They're only 11 cents. Let me get in. Get me in. Get me in. There we go. I'm in. I'm in at 15 cents. Yikes. All right, Ford rejected the line anyway, so back over here to Intel. Come on, pump. Pump down. I got to put on this, so that means I want it to go down. I'm betting on the stock to go down. Volume's pretty high. We are down 450 on this trade. Wow, I don't know how we're down 450. Thing has barely moved. All right, there's a new low. This should really continue down because, like I said, that broke a big zone. I'll bring it up over here just because since we're in a trade, I don't need to be looking at anything else. This is a yearly chart, daily chart, so that means each one of these candles is a whole day. And as you see, it has broke through before, but even catching this kind of a break, that's 3 days of break. And this is about 3 minutes. So one of these candles compared to this is even way bigger than this whole trend. So even if we can catch a little bit of a break like that, be fine. This just needs to go down a little bit. Another good thing about this is, as you can see, that Intel has pretty much been in a downtrend for the past year. Oh, great. Don't turn around on me now. Oh my gosh, this might turn around on me. I'm down like 20 bucks on the day. Honestly, my whole count's down to 213, so I'm down like 30 with fees. I should probably step away, but I'm already in this trade. Not looking good. Hey, I'm still uploading this, even if I take a fat L on the day. It's realistic, and not every day I do good. And yesterday I did good, and so did I the day before, but of course, when I go to record this, I'm going to have a red day. All right, turn it back around. Just need it to make a move here. Can't consolidate forever, or our option contract's going to start losing value. This should go down, because like when you're looking at this yearly chart over here, this is the same chart as this, just way zoomed out and way longer time period. This is broken below this point, so that's like a new low. Broke through this trend line again. All right, here we go. What I'm really looking for is just a big candle. For this, maybe like a bunch of volume come through and then just wick down. That would do good because I do have 3 contracts of this with a, what, 0.2 delta, so multiplier on this is pretty high. If I get a big move, it'd be a decent amount of money. I could make all my money back on the day. Just need this volume down here is terrible though. None of these, it's not gonna be any big candles with a small volume. All right, we're coming on low a day again, and it flips. All right, well I guess we'll just sit here and wait. This is annoying. I hate when I get in a trade and it just consolidates like this. It just gives me anxiety. There we go, new low. Okay, okay. Getting some pumpage. That's good. That's good. Adjusting the chart here. Come on. Don't turn around on me. This is good that it came down and then went back to the 9 EMA line, which is this blue line, downtrend line, and bounced. So that's good. Might be able to use the 9 EMA as a stop loss zone. All right, we're up $7.50 on this. Up $7.50 on this trade alone. Not on the day, but just on this trade. This is good. This is good. It's pumping with some volume now. Oh, and it flips real quick. It's kind of weird. Some of you are probably thinking, oh, why don't you just take that profit and get out now with $7.50? It's because if I let my losers run all the way down to minus $10 and then I snip my winners when they're not even up $10 and I take way bigger losses than wins, obviously, you know, that's going to play out. So I got to let my winners play out and I got to let my losers at least hit stop loss before I get out. Like I said, I'm still a complete beginner when it comes to this stuff. I'm pretty much almost gambling at this point. All I'm really doing is trading off support, resistance, and volume, which is what a lot of traders do, but I'm just not great at it yet. Keyword. Oh, is this thing going to consolidate again? Jeez. It's probably going to go back and touch the 9 EMA right here. It's probably going to be over here by the time it gets to it. And getting some volume here, but not much moving. Like this pattern though. It's kind of making the same pattern over again, which makes me think it should wick down here soon. All right, just bounced off the 9 EMA. Just like I thought it would. Hopefully the candle stays red or it's going to be above the 9 EMA. This option contract's got to be losing strength because it is not moving that much anymore when it goes down. It's still staying around almost where I bought in. So I'm going to try to get out here if I can. Oh, it's going to turn around. So I have a sell order in. It's just a little bit lower than it is right now. I just get out at this. Yeah, I'm out. I got out. Just a little bit of a gain. $6 positive on that trade. What are we on the day? We're down like 12 bucks or something. And of course it turns around and hits another low. I don't know if any more trades are going to pop up on the day. That might be the last one, but I'm going to keep watching for a little bit longer. I don't really like trading for too long. Like maybe the first hour I trade, because after that there's not much volatility. And that's kind of just how I want to make my trading overall. I want to master like the first few hours of the day of trading, or just hour, so I can make that a regular thing. But yeah, I'll get back to you if I find something else that's getting near a resistance line or something. All right, Ford broke through. Hopefully it continues. But I just want to show you guys. Remember when I was in AT&T earlier and we hopped in around, I think it was high day. Look how much this thing just pumped. Hey, you never can tell though if it's gonna do that or not. You never know. I was going for a small scalp. That would be kind of a day trade move right there. That would have been a great trade. Would have probably been $100 plus. I was sticking to my plan. All right, Ford is consolidating again at the zone. There it goes, going through. Yeah, it looks like Ford's gonna consolidate again, so I'm gonna pause. All right, I didn't record it, but I got in this Ford trade because I had to do it quick because it broke through kind of fast. But I'm in this Ford put, which means I want it to go down, hoping it breaks down to at least like the low maybe, and then I'll pull profits. And then obviously if it breaks above this, I'll get out. Probably just gonna fast forward this. All right, looks like we're gonna have to get out here almost. It's pumping high with volume, or not with volume, but it's pumping pretty quick. Oh, wow, I might have got out early. It didn't really break through. It kind of just tagged it. Whatever. Oh, that's a big loss. I'm almost out of buying power. As you can see, I got $52 left of buying power, and our count is down to $215. Yikes! So not a great day. Not a green day. All right, I'm gonna look for one more trade. All right, Ford has broke through this resistance and is about to break the high a day and the pre-market high. So I'm probably gonna jump in here. Jump in probably 2 positions. Yep. Buy in. I'm in. And it's flipping on me. Keep it going. Let's keep it going. What the heck? Big pullback. Oh no. Come on, stay above the 9 EMA. This ain't too scary because look, there's pullbacks every once in a while and it keeps going up. So I'm hoping this is just a small pullback and then it'll pump again. So after each one of these pullbacks, there has been a pump. Ooh, this one's looking a little big though. It's a little bit bigger than the previous pullbacks. Volume's high. Oh no. Come on, give me a 9 EMA bounce. I'm out. That's just broke the 9 EMA. Bunch of volume downwards. All right, what am I down? Holy cow, I'm almost down $40 on the day. Yeah, I'm stepping away. Not a good day for me. Not a good day, but whatever. Come back another day. All right, so that is a complete beginner day trading. Let me know what you think, especially if you're some experienced traders are watching this for some reason. Let me know what I did wrong. I already tell you a few things I did wrong. I didn't set stop losses, and I said a few, but like I should have had more stop losses and take profit zones set before I even got into a trade. I was going for a scalp, so it's you scalp a little bit different than you like day trade or swing trade. I was just going for a little bit of a gain, and I honestly let my losers run too far. I should have snipped my losers right when they started not moving against me and not going in my favor. But yeah, recording while doing this was definitely a distraction, so I'm probably not going to do it again until I get a little bit better at this, because I feel like it was like messing with my decision making a little bit, because that was honestly one of the biggest red days I've ever had. Usually, like I said, I walk away if I'm down like 20 bucks or if I just run out of settled cash. But yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys think or thought of me trying to day trade as a complete beginner. and that was live. None of that was pre-recorded or anything. You just watched me take an L right off the rip. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed or got any value out of this, definitely hit the like and subscribe button for me. Drop a comment below if you have a question or if you just want to say something, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.